Digitization is defined as the application of digital technology in all aspects of human society. We see examples of digitization in innovations such as the cloud, software as a service, mobility, guest Wi-Fi, and the Internet of Things. These innovations are happening at the point of employee and customer interaction. Not coincidentally, the branch is where 80% of customer-facing employees and customers are served, and the number of those interactions and the number of individuals served is increasing. With the increase in users, there is an exponential increase in the number of devices and applications. For example, research shows an approximate 73% growth in the number of mobile devices from 2014 to 2018, leading to a 20 to 50% increase in enterprise bandwidth requirements per year through 2018. The proliferation of users, devices, and applications at the branch has led to three major security challenges. The increased number of users has led to an increased threat surface. For example, according to recent Google research, 89% of consumers now use smartphones while shopping in stores. The increase in number of devices has led to an increased threat sophistication. Each update and refresh of a device fosters new attack methods and new capabilities for attackers to exploit. The increase in applications has increased the complexity of mitigation as bandwidth usage is heightened and the time to resolve attacks significantly increases. The branch is becoming the center of focus for digitization, but it is also becoming the center of focus for advanced targeted threats. 30% of such threats specifically target branch offices as an entry point. Along with the increases in users and devices, another change at the branch has led to security challenges. To meet the increasing demands of bandwidth at the branch, enterprises are increasing the use of direct Internet access. Enabling direct Internet access allows the branch to route certain Internet-bound traffic or public cloud traffic from the branch directly to the Internet. Direct Internet access helps reduce IT spending, ensures better application experiences, and provides guest Wi-Fi at the branch. However, traditional network and web security in the headquarters are unable to protect the direct-to-Internet traffic, leaving organizations with limited visibility and control over sensitive data and applications in the cloud. Cisco Umbrella provides solutions for these challenges. Umbrella is a subscription-based model and the fastest and easiest way to protect all of your users in minutes. Because it is delivered from the cloud, there is no hardware to install or software to manually update. You can provision all on-premise devices in minutes. Use your existing Cisco footprint, AnyConnect, 4000 series integrated service routers, and 5520 and 8540 wireless LAN controllers to quickly provision thousands of network egress points and roaming laptops. Umbrella provides the first line of defense against threats on the Internet. It protects against malware, phishing, and command and control callbacks wherever your users go. It protects your remote employees even when they're off the VPN. Umbrella provides complete visibility into Internet activity across all locations, devices, and users, and blocks threats before they ever reach your network or endpoints. Threats come from malicious domains and IP addresses, so Umbrella blocks requests to malicious domains and IP addresses before a connection is ever established. By applying statistical models to real-time and historical data, Umbrella's predictive intelligence can even predict which domains are probably malicious. Umbrella uses the domain name system, a foundational component of the Internet, as one of the main mechanisms to get traffic to the cloud platform. And then it uses it to enforce security as well. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Malware often uses command and control callbacks to communicate with the attacker for instructions or to exfiltrate data. Cisco conducted research found that 91% of command and control callbacks rely on the domain name system, or DNS. So, by using Cisco Umbrella, which provides DNS-level protection, you have the ability to block the vast majority of those command and control callbacks. For example, Cisco ISR 4000 series routers have an embedded Umbrella connector that can transparently intercept DNS traffic from users and forward it to the Umbrella cloud. The Umbrella cloud will verify the reputation of the target site and respond with a resolution. Because it is based on DNS operations, Umbrella can block command and control callback even from devices that are already infected. The use of DNS operations also helps provide secure, direct Internet access from the branch, regardless of the DNS configuration on endpoint browsers. All branch traffic, whether from employees, guest users, or bring-your-own-device devices, can be forwarded to the Umbrella Cloud for DNS. Cisco ISR 4000 series routers enable you to define different domain filtering policies for different network segments based on tagging. You could, for example, define different policies for users or groups of users. The ISR 4000 series Umbrella connector also offers a domain bypass capability that allows you to prevent any internal domain traffic from going to the Umbrella cloud. This provides compatibility with the enterprise, your employees, and your guest DNS server deployments. Let's take a closer look at how the Umbrella branch solution works. Suppose a user is trying to browse a website. The first thing that happens is a DNS name resolution for the target site, such as www.xyz.com. When the DNS query traverses the ISR 4000, the ISR 4000 can intercept the DNS query, change the destination to the Umbrella DNS server, encrypt the DNS packet, add a tag to associate a policy, and send it to the nearest Umbrella DNS resolver. When the Umbrella DNS resolver receives the packet, it checks the reputation of the target domain requested by the user, and it checks for any policy that exists for the tag. If the policy permits and the domain's reputation is good, Umbrella responds to the DNS query with the original IP address of the target site. The ISR, in turn, responds back to the client. If the target site is not allowed by the policy or due to a bad reputation, Umbrella simply responds to the DNS query with a block of the server's IP address. Although there are several Umbrella packages that offer various levels of protection, all are easy and fast to deploy. We can't cover the deployment of all of them here, so let's just continue with our branch package example. Deploying the branch package on a Cisco ISR 4000 router is a two-step process. First, enable the Umbrella branch connector on the ISR with a couple of commands. This can be automated with the Cisco Prime CLI template that is available on Prime 3.1 or later versions. Optionally, you can configure a bypass list to bypass internal domains. A secure tunnel is established between the ISR and Umbrella to register the ISR. Second, configure a security policy and Umbrella portal and attach it to the registered network device tag. The ISR registers with the policy attached, and the system is ready. The beauty of the Umbrella branch package solution is that there is no client-side configuration required. All policy management and reporting is done at the ISR router. Client devices such as phones and tablets simply access the network normally, and all DNS requests are redirected at the ISR router. Cisco Umbrella makes it easy to configure and ensure compliance for web access. Extensive reporting and monitoring capabilities allow you to search through the logs on various parameters, such as websites, categories, and network devices. While DNS-based domain filtering provides the first level of defense against malware and other threats, additional umbrella features are coming in the near future to provide more advanced capabilities. These capabilities include proxying the suspicious site's traffic to Umbrella for deep packet inspection, application visibility and control, content scanning, and advanced file inspection using advanced malware protection. Along with current features, these capabilities will be provided on a single dashboard to manage policy and monitor user activities.